What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what we're gonna do is we are gonna replacing a hybrid battery pack. We're gonna go over step by step and make sure stay tuned and catch up this video, guys. Boom. Now we're gonna remove a battery, this one first, before we go over right here. So before we go over the this hybrid battery pack, and we're gonna remove this battery first. And this one we got the couple of wire line over here, and we're gonna press the clip right here and pull it. It came right off. And this one at the bottom right here, and it came right off. Very easy. And this one, we press this one down and pull, came right off. This one is right, here we go. I got 10mm bolt right here. We're gonna remove it. Okay, now we got the positive terminal cable out. Now we got the negative terminal cable right here, and we're gonna remove it as well. Out. And now we're gonna jump it over to the hybrid battery pack right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Qua camera đây. Qua camera lên đây. Qua lên. Say hi.
Hi. You guys. You guys. You guys. You guys.
Ni mía là
Mu. Yeah.
Rồi vừa ni là Kini. Nó bữa vừa là hả? Kini.
We have no space to work on it, so to get the seat out, we're gonna get one bolt right there, one bolt right here, and one bolt right here, and right there, and right here. Now we already got the seat right here out, and we got more space over here to work on it. Come on, man. 12. Now I got the cover out, and right here I would like to I would like to say I would like to talking about a little bit, because this two wire is very dangerous, and when you take it off, and make sure you put a glove or plastic on it, because we don't want to get anything happen when we replace this one. It's very dangerous. I think that somebody already changed it before. See, one bolt right here is missing, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Before we go over this one, we're gonna take it off the cover right here, and we're gonna get it off. And this one is very dangerous, okay? When you walk on it, make sure be careful and be safe. Now we got one more right here. Red collar. This over here. And we have the queen. Then we got a nice chair. 10mm bolt. So we're gonna place this one safe. And you see a lot of wire line right here. You have to remember where they go. And when you put it back on, and it's very you know, and you see that's when I'll talk about this two wire line right here. It's very dangerous. So and when we take it off, and we're gonna be ready for a plastic. And lose all the cable line over here. And one cable right here. We're gonna remove. Okay, and one right here too. Okay, this one a little bit tough, and one smaller right here too. Now we got this one removed, and this one too. This one got a clip. We're gonna press this one. Press this one. Oh shit! It was so fucking hard. Okay, we got it off. Okay. Now this one I think maybe this one may be number safety. We're gonna put a glove on it. You know, it will be safe. Baby. And this one too. Get all that. You know, here we go. These two bolt is gonna be number 8, okay?
Papa when tôi nói bảo ai
Allah.
tôi nói về mấy bà mình nó mà
Okay, now here we go. Okay, we got all the connector. So we'll try to see how many bolts down the bottom right here, and number 12 right here, and I'm gonna jump it over this side right here. Now we're gonna get a number 12 right here. This one, number 10, all number 10. And we still have a one bolt right here, number 10. And we're gonna take it off the terminator bolt right here too. Got everything out, and then this one we don't have to take it off, but we already did. Then all this cover, and I want to see inside. We're gonna open and see inside how this look like. You see, it is I talk about that. And but this is a hybrid battery pack. Okay, when you open the cover, because we want you guys to see inside how it look like. And so now we're gonna take it off. When we take it off, I think we have to put a pipe over here so it doesn't matter. And now we're gonna put it back on the bolt that we removed it before. So we're gonna place this one. Gotta have it's very easy to come out, and so it's very, very heavy. We gotta get 2 people, so we're gonna set it up our camera right here. Now you stay right there. Open. Wait a minute. And we're gonna take it off. It's very, very heavy. Don't hurt your back, okay? Okay guys, this is how to remove a hybrid battery pack. You see, it's a lot of work. It's danger too, and make sure when you walk on this hybrid battery pack and be safe, okay guys? And so we already got it out, and we're gonna put it in my trunk, and we're gonna go to dealership. We're gonna catch you in dealership. Peace.